All right, guys. So this is a follow up to my first SPY trade, um, and I wanted to show you how I just traded this all the way down to support. So if you go into this is kind of how I like to have my chart set up. I've got a 5 minute chart here, and then I've got a 1 minute chart on the bottom. So I like to use my 1 minute chart for entries and exits, and then my 5 minute chart for seeing if we may have a trend change within that 5 minute time frame here. Um, so you can see here my first trade I had bought at that break of 410 and then sold right here for about a 10% return. Well, I ended up trading again this same move down right around here for another 5%. So what I was doing is I looked and seen that move down on the 5 minute, and then I watch for that pullback to the 9 EMA. So typically, um, if you're looking at on the Bollinger Bands at that chart, if that's going to hold, um, if it's going to continue to move down, it would typically hit that 5 EMA because this is the 5 EMA and this is the 10 EMA, but it will hit that 10 EMA and then start to follow back down. So this is a bit of a different setup on the 1 minute. So I don't have the 9 and 21, but this is the Bollinger Band setup with the 5 and 10 EMA, and then you've got your mid Bollinger Band. But I was watching a bounce off this 10 EMA here, and then for looking for a continued move down. So once we bounced, seen we had a bearish candle come in here, and then I was watching this key level at 407.88 ish. I wanted to see that break. So we had a little doji here, and then once uh, I entered pretty much right around here as it was breaking from that 407.88. So I entered on this next candle here around that 407.78, entered there, and then literally played it down to about 3/4 of the way down that candle. Got out for a quick 5% return. Now the reason I had exited is because down here is a key level at 405.83, and I don't really like trying to time out exactly where that level is going to bounce, even though it did go all the way down there. But you can see it quickly rebound and then had a double bottom, and then I think it based there for a bit. But once again, that's a quick way to kind of get in and out of a trade pretty quick. You look for that pullback and then look for a lower low coming in. And then once it breaks past that recent low, then you can get in for a quick 5 to 10% return play. So that was my second trade on SPY for the day, which netted about a 5% return. So anyways, with that being said, please like and subscribe to the video. If you like the content, if you got any questions or concerns, please hit me up, and I will talk with you guys later.